children, welcome to English class. Children, today I'm starting block 22 children. Cause and effect. Lesson number 1, cause and effect. Keywords are children, feelings, excited, jealous, thrilled, annoyed, proud, surprised, afraid. Children, this is a balloon. Okay, now just to see what teacher will do. Okay, what happened? Balloon burst. You all were surprised. Yes. Yes, children. What happened? Why did the balloon pop? How did you feel when the balloon popped? Children, now here 2 columns I have written. What happened and how did it make you feel? So what happened here? The balloon popped. Okay, children, what happened? The balloon popped. When it made you feel? What happened, children? Suddenly it happened, no? So we were surprised. Yes, I was also surprised, children. I was surprised. Surprised. I was surprised. What happened? The balloon popped. How did it make you feel? I was surprised. Okay, children. So now children, all of you all open your reader, children. Okay. Page number 134, children. If you see the cover page of the story, children, now we are going to read this story. I will explain you what is the story about. So what is the name of the story, children? Here, My Day with Daddy. If you see the cover page, what you can make out, children? The story is about a boy and his daddy. Yes, children. Let us see what is there. What does the title of the story tell us about it? Who is the main character of the story? Where is the story happening? What can you tell about the boy by just looking at his face on each page? What are the other things you see in the pictures? Okay, children, just we will turn the pages. Okay, if you see all the pictures are there. So by seeing the pictures, we have to make out what is happening. Okay, children, come on. If you see your picture, a boy is sad sitting outside of his house with his pet dog. Okay, come on, let us read the story. It was Sunday, my day out with Daddy. I looked outside. Oh no, it was raining. We cannot go out. Daddy said. I was sad. Yes, the story is about this little boy, children. So Sunday. Every Sunday he will go outside with his daddy. But what happened this Sunday? It is raining. And raining he can't go outside. Let us come to next paragraph. Daddy held my hand and said, come, let's see what is there for breakfast. I hopped along. I was excited. Yes, children, in this story, we are having about feelings, children, how we are feeling. Now, if you see the first paragraph, the boy was sad. Now he is excited as his father told him what is there for breakfast. Okay, children, now come to the next page. There was steaming hot porridge with fruits and nuts on the table. It smelled so good. I quickly ate a spoonful. Oops! I burned my tongue. I cried. Okay, children. So the boy was very excited. He went and it was hot porridge, fruits and nuts. What he did without knowing it is hot, he quickly ate a spoonful and he got burned on his tongue. So he cried. So here, what happened? He has tasted the porridge and then what happened, children? His tongue burned. Okay, children, come on. Let us go to the next paragraph. Daddy gave me a spoonful of cold milk and asked me, to roll it on my tongue. The burning stopped. I smiled. Yes, children, this is cause and this is effect, children. Okay, what is our block about? So what happened when the tongue burned? Daddy gave him a spoonful of cold milk. He rolled it on his tongue. Now he is feeling better. He smiled. Let us turn the page, children. It stopped raining. My friend called out to me from outside. Look, I have got a new bicycle. I looked at his shining red bicycle. I too wanted one like that. I was jealous. Yes, here he is a small boy, no children? Huh? If we take example of our class also, you are also small children. If anybody will bring any colorful pencil or eraser or sharpener, how you will feel? You will feel that, array, I should also have it. Okay, so this boy also thinking that I should also have a red bicycle and he is jealous. Okay, come on, now come to the next paragraph. Children, next paragraph. Daddy brought my scooter board. He had painted it yesterday. It was bright blue in color with a big sticker of a red engine on it. I rode out on it. I was thrilled. Okay, children, so now he is having a scooter board, children. His friend is having red bicycle and he is having red board, and now he is thrilled to ride on it. Okay, come on, come to the next page. My friend and I raced through the grassy park and the slushy puddles. My scooter board got all muddy and dirty. I was annoyed. Okay, children, after playing, Daddy painted yesterday, but now the scooter board is very dirty. I rode back home, picked up a dusting cloth and wiped the scooter board clean. My scooter was shining again. That was well done, Daddy said. I felt proud. Yes, children, after going home, he wiped his scooter board clean with a cloth. So Daddy said that was well done. Okay, the story is happening in the past tense, children. If you see the words was, wiped. Okay, children. So story is happening in the past. All these are past tense words, children. Okay, and I felt proud. He was feeling very proud. Yes, children, turn to the next page. See the picture here, children. Okay, Daddy called out, son, come and see what I have got from the garden. I went running. Daddy opened a box and a frog jumped out. I was surprised. Yes, children, at the beginning of the lesson also, when the balloon popped, we all were surprised. Yes, children. So, he also got surprised to see a frog coming out of the box. Come to the next page, children. The frog suddenly leaped out of the window. I could not see it. I was afraid. Now what happened? Suddenly the frog jumped out of the window. Okay, children, he was afraid. Come to the next para. I went out. It was dark. I heard a splash and saw the frog jumping around in the puddle. I laughed. Okay, when he went out, it was dark, and when he has seen the frog was jumping around in the puddle, children. Okay, now let us turn the next page. It was getting dark and I was tired. I went inside to be with Daddy again. Yes, it was getting very dark, children. He was tired also. Okay, so he went inside, children. Okay, to be with his daddy. Okay, fine. Then what will happen, children, if you see these two pictures? Daddy will tell him a story. Okay, the boy is yarning here, and what he will do? He will sleep. So this is the story about this boy. Okay, a day with my daddy. Okay, children, what all he did. With the help of pictures, we have learned the story better. Okay, children, my day with daddy. Fine children, in this story we were having all past tense words children. Okay? Yes children, the story what we have learned just now is about a boy, how he has spent his day with his father. Okay? So children, now let us see what happened, how did the boy feel. Here we are knowing the feelings of the boy children. Starting of the story, how it was children, it was raining, he could not go out. So how did the boy felt when he has to be inside the house? He was sad. Yes children, sad. He was sad. This is feeling, showing the feeling of boy. So what we have to put here children, this mark is called exclamation mark. Okay children, we have learned in first class also exclamatory mark. Yes children, all of you will open your workbook page number 30. Write the date children. S1, cause and effect. First bit, write the word that tells how the little boy feels. We have to look at the picture and then we have to write his feelings children, how he felt. Okay, here see children, in our reader it has given the picture and the boy was feeling sad. Okay, next picture children, daddy, he is going out with his daddy, so he was excited. He was going for breakfast children. Okay, so he was excited, exceted, excited. Then come to this picture children. Okay, when frog jumped, so he was afraid, AFRAID, afraid. And this picture is about when he was cleaning his scooter children. So daddy told him that was well done. So how he felt children? He felt very proud. Okay, P-R-O-U-D, proud. Come to the second bit children. Fill in the chart to say what happened and why it happened. Children, I have shown you on the board what happened and how did the boy feel. Here we are having why did it happen. What happened? Why did it happen? Let us see a bit. The boy was sad. What happened? The boy was sad. Why he was sad? Why did it happen? It was raining. He could not go out. Okay, here some blanks are given. We have to fill it. B bit, what happened? They have not given. Why it happened? They have given. He was going down to see what there was for breakfast. So the boy was excited. The boy was excited. E-X-E-I-T-E-D, excited. After the exclamation mark you have to put children. Okay. See bit. He was afraid. Why he was afraid children? Here we have to write. What happened? He was afraid. Why? The frog leaped out of the window. Yes children, if you read the story children twice, you will understand all the answers children. On your own also you can write the answers. He was afraid. The frog leaped out of the window. D bit. Here black. That was well done, said daddy. So what happened? The boy was proud. Okay, that only we have to write. T-H-E, the boy was P-R-O-U-D, proud. Exclamation mark. Third one. Write, children, come to the third bit. Write why you felt sad, excited, afraid, proud. Okay children, with this 4 you have to write 1. So if you write sad, I am just telling you children, I felt sad. I felt sad because I lost my pencil. Okay, like that we have to write. I felt proud, I will write here children. I felt proud because I won the race. Write neatly children. Yes children, all of you all take out your notebook children. Okay, write the date here, put double margin, write down block 22, cause and effect. Write down subheading, keywords, underline with red color pencil. First one, SAD, sad. EXCITED, excited. CRIED, cried. SMILED, smiled. JEALOUS, jealous. THRILLED, thrilled. ANNOYED, annoyed. Proud, PROUD. Children, if you don't have place, you can write here also, children. Okay, put a line here and then write down with using scale. Ninth one is surprised, SURPRISED. Next one, AFRAID, afraid. Next one, LAUGHED, laughed. Okay, children, write the classwork neatly. Okay, meet you in the next class, children.